G'day, just showing you my camera setup for in the car when at the racetrack. This is a GoPro Hero 9. It's got the Media Mod case that goes on it. It's got a quick release base on it that I've selected. You don't have to go with that. The Media Mod allows you to put in USB-C charger and also an external mic if you need to. I did experiment with external mics running out to the back of the boot, but I found with the wind noise on the track, you didn't get a good note from the car anyway, and I found I got a bit better sound with the Media Mod inside the car. This is the headrest mount that I bought from eBay. I'm not sure if you can still get them on there. So it clamps around the post itself, and then it's a bit like a clamping system where you can loosen it up, adjust it from here and from the base as well. This is the settings that I use at the racetrack. I don't use any stabilization. I just find it gives a bit of a weird movement and look to it. It kind of moves around to compensate. One thing I did change, the ISO, I reduced that down to 400 max, and it kind of prevents it overexposing the windscreen. When it's dark in the car and then it's light outside, you get kind of an over bright outside effect. So I found that helped, just keeping the lighting kind of at the correct ISO. And this is what it looks like once it's all clamped in. I usually have a USB cable running to the back of that into the cigarette lighter just so it stays charged all day. And that's it. Thanks for watching.